In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view email analytics in GetResponse. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your results and how to read the numbers that matter so you can quickly understand what's working and what needs attention. First, start by logging in to your GetResponse account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top menu and click Reports. This takes you to the main Reports page, which is the hub for your email performance. Think of it as your command center for insights. From here, you can choose what you want to analyze without jumping between different sections. Before you dive into the numbers, set the context for your report. Use the date range controls to pick the period you want to review, whether that's a recent campaign, the last week, or a custom time frame that aligns with your send dates. Then select the specific list you want to analyze. This helps you avoid mixing results from different audiences and gives you a cleaner, more accurate view of performance. Once your filters are set, the key metrics will load. Start with open rate. This is the percentage of recipients who opened your email, and it's a direct indicator of how compelling your subject line and sender name were. If opens are lower than expected, consider whether your timing, subject line clarity, or audience targeting might be contributing. Next, look at click rate, which shows the percentage of recipients who clicked at least one link in your message. This reflects how engaging your content and calls to action were. Strong open rates paired with weak clicks usually point to content that didn't match the promise of the subject line or links that weren't clear or prominent. Keep an eye on bounces. These are emails that couldn't be delivered. A high bounce rate can mean outdated or incorrect addresses, and it can affect your sender reputation. Monitoring this over your selected period helps you spot trends and keep your list healthy. Unsubscribes tell you how many contacts opted out after receiving your email. It's normal to see some unsubscribes, but spikes can signal that the content or frequency wasn't aligned with your audience's expectations. Finally, review spam complaints. These are instances where recipients marked your email as spam. Even small increases are worth investigating, as they can impact deliverability. That's it. Log in, go to Reports, set your date range and list, and then read your open rate, click rate, bounces, unsubscribes, and spam complaints to understand performance and take smarter next steps.